Hey guys, Samsung has just announced their Note series flagship smartphone Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Both variants support 5G technology. So should you invest flagship price to get 5G tech in your hand? No, because we have got information from China Unicom that Galaxy A90 will be the first mid-range 5G smartphone from Samsung. Galaxy S10 5G was the first 5G smartphone from Samsung, followed by recently launched Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Now it seems that Samsung is introducing 5G tech to their mid-ranges with Galaxy A90. Samsung might introduce two variants of the A90. One is the standard variant and other is the 5G variant of the A90. Galaxy A90 5G will be powered by Snapdragon 855 processor, and Geekbench listing reveals that the Galaxy A90 5G would come with 6GB of RAM. Galaxy A90 5G will be featuring 6.7-inch Full HD Super AMOLED Infinity U display. This means that Samsung is not going to introduce console display on the Galaxy A series and continue offering Infinity U display. What are your thoughts on the A90 5G? Share your opinions on the comment section below, and if you guys are new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.